We'll guide you through how to make RGB effect in Alight motion. Quick disclaimer, you need to follow this step-by-step guide carefully, because skipping a single step will affect your final result. If this guide helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe. First, don't forget to comment if you still need our help or want to ask something, and we will reach you as soon as possible. Second, find and open Alight motion on your device. Once it is ready, press Create New Project at the top of the screen to start a new project. Set up the project according to your needs by choosing the project settings that you want to use. After completing the setup, select Create Project to enter the editing workspace. Inside the new project, press the plus button located in the bottom right corner to import your footage. Browse through your files and select the footage that you want to use in your project. After the footage has been imported successfully, select the footage layer to open the small menu containing the available editing options. From the small menu, press Effect to open the effect settings for the selected footage. Inside the Effect menu, press Add Effect to access the effect browser. Once the effect browser opens, go to the Other category to view the available effects in that section. Scroll through the list until you find the Channel Remap (RGB) effect. After locating the effect, select Channel Remap (RGB) to add it to your footage. Once the effect has been applied, adjust the available settings according to your preference until you achieve the RGB appearance that you want. Continue changing the effect values until the result matches your editing style. After completing the adjustments, press the play button to preview the effect and see how it looks on your footage. Watch the preview carefully to make sure the RGB effect appears the way you intended. If the appearance matches your preference, then the editing process is complete. By following every step in the correct order, you have successfully created an RGB effect in Alight motion using the Channel Remap (RGB) effect from the Other category. The effect is applied directly to the selected footage.